Mr. AP here. Welcome back. So this is the second of the series. We have done, we have created the application window, or simply the form, and like what I said, we are going to display in the first section these pizza products, and in another section the order information, and in the last section we have the button. So these sections are called classes, or in this particular activity or application, they are called panels. So let's start creating those three panels. So again, right click on your pizza package, because we're going to create a new three new classes. So let's start with the first one. So this one has the pizza product. So let me call this class pizza products panel. Why did I call it panel? Because this class would be a panel. So in order for us to make this class a panel, so let's click on the browse button here, because we're going to search for jpanel. Since we found it, just click on it. You see the jpanel from the package javox that swing. So click on it and just click the OK button, and just click on the finish button to see this, of course. So this is our first panel. Now this class is a panel because we extend panel, jpanel. So this is not just a class, this is actually a panel. So this panel I intend to use for this section. So this section has the pizza products and the buttons and the images and the labels, and I think it's time for us to create the second panel. So again, right click on the package pizza, because we're going to create our second class, and this class has the information, the order information. So let me call this class order information panel. Now, why did I call it panel? Because this class is gonna be a panel, and how to make this class a panel? We have to extend jpanel, and to do that, let's click on this browse button again, because we need to find the jpanel, and that's the one we're gonna extend. Okay, so this is the jpanel that we need right now. So just click on it, then click on the OK button, and click on the finish button, and voila, this is our second panel. Again, this class is a panel because it extends jpanel. And I think we are down to the last panel here, right? So we need to create a class for that. So let's go back to this. Again, for the last time, let's right click on the pizza package, select new, and of course click on the class option. And this class is gonna be holding the button. So let's call this order now panel, because this is where the order button is, right? So again, this class has to be a panel. So again, for the last time, let's click on the browse, because we need to look for jpanel, and I found it. It's here. Just click on it and click the OK button, and of course the finish button. So now I have just created three more classes, and these classes are the three panels the panels that we are gonna use for the pizza products, the one with the buttons, the one with the images, and the one with the labels, and another panel for the information, and the one with the button. And the classes are all created. So see you next video, the next video, okay, where we are going to start the design of our application. See ya. Bye bye.